spirits call Judgment Day. Yo, banished to the dream. Yo, spirits call Judgment Day. Yo, become unseen. Deep in the mist where the duppy them dwell, Warlock step through the jungle spell. Jah flame hype on the high tall path. Him heart feel weight from Babylon wrath. Chalice done, spirit start for strain. March through the hall where souls feel pain. Lion of Judah in him chest beat low, but him walk still firm through Jah's shadow. Yo, hey, yo, spirits hear my call. Yo, Jah choose I as the instrument to fight ballad resentment. Chant them psalm like testament. No Babylon face dread judgment. Yo, Jah can't judge dread for Jah holy fire. Warlock style come from somewhere higher.
Council rise with lightning eye. Them read the book where spirits cry. You heal the land, you bless the weak, but blood still flow from Warlock's tree. Psalm read out and chalice pass. Deeds weighed in Jah looking glass. Your light and shadow walk the same, but Warlock style can't be tamed. Yo,
Warlock hear the spirit decree. Yo, Warlock fights for homes and hearts, but we judge dread for all his dark parts. Warlock call down the dark force flame against anyone who don't chant the same. Jah, for this Warlock will never be the same. Just spirit walk forever in shame. Spirit wind rise and judgment fall. No more earth for your spirit call. You bless, you curse, you ride between. No stay in dream forever unseen. Banished deep in spirit time. Cut from soil unholy crime. Still enchanting dreaming zone. Jah watch me soul, me not alone. Yo, hey, yo, spirits call Judgment Day. Yo, I banish to the dream. Yo, hey, yo, spirits call Judgment Day. To the dream.